Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through In Return by CeCe Winans. The song is going to be primarily in G major. I'm going to modulate quickly with the bridge to B flat, and then end off again in G major. Okay, so let me play the intro and then break it down. You're going to start off by playing the note D. Again, D, E, D, B, C, D. On your left hand, you're going to be playing a G sus4. Okay, so you play the D7 over F sharp. So F sharp, C, D. So then you're going to play a G major chord in arpeggio. First you're going to play C, B, C, D. So you're playing G, D, G, A, C, B. Then you're on your right hand, you're going to play G, A. When you play the A, you're going to play a D major chord on your left hand, then a B. Now you're going to play an E minor 9/11 chord in arpeggio. Okay, again, so your left hand you're playing E, B, E, F sharp, G, B, E. On your right hand you're playing B, D, and G. So, and then it's going to be G, F sharp, D, B, E. So all together. Okay, next section, you're going to play an A minor 11. It's like playing that G sus4 on top of A minor. To a D sus4, to D, to C over G, playing this, it's almost like a D chord, but you're playing the sus4, and then C, C minor 6 over G, and then G. Okay, again at full speed, then to the verses. Okay, and then the first verse. All I had to give was a broken heart, torn apart. All I had to give was an empty hope and promises, but in return gave me joy that could never be told. It was more precious than gold. You had to give. You don't have to be ashamed. Come as you are and present in Jesus' name. Okay, so you're starting off on playing a G major chord to a D major chord on top of G to a C chord on top of G to a C minor chord on top of G. Okay, again. I like on the recording you hear that little grace note. Then you do it again. Then a C major 7. And you can, for most of these chords, you can make it into an arpeggio on your left hand. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 5 of the chord, the 1, the 5, the 1, the 2, and the 3, while holding the chord in your left hand. So it's a C major 9, but C major 7 in your right hand, and in your left hand playing tenths. Okay, and then you're going to go to a D chord on top of C, D7 over C. Then a B minor 7 to an E minor. And you play the arpeggio on the E minor. It's the 1, 5, 1, 2, 3 of the E minor chord. So again. So B minor. After you've played it 2 times, you go to the E minor. Then to an A flat diminished 7th. Then to that A minor 11 we've played before. D9 sus4. Come as you are, and in Jesus' name. So after you go to that D sus4, you're going to start over with a minor 5 turnaround. So it's a minor 7, D minor 7 to G13. And then torrid life, same chords, give you life abundantly. So instead of going to the E minor, you're going to do the turnaround again. D minor to the G13. We return of a raging storm, the Lord part the sea. You hear that on the record? So whatever you have, the Lord has so much more. So you've already learned those. Whatever you have to give. Okay. So now we're going to go to the bridge where we start playing in B flat major. So we've just ended whatever you have to give. But you looked on the things you were able to give me. Okay, and that's the whole section in B flat. So, the first chord you're going to be playing the G major 7. If you were like me, you didn't have a lot of gold. Okay, so you're playing that G major 7 to a C minor 9, to an F9 sus4. On your right hand, you're playing that E flat chord, F7 on your left chord, and then you're going to play a D minor on your right hand on top of that F7, which makes it F13. And then B flat major 9. Passing chord on E, it's an E9 sharp 11. So think of playing an E7. So whole tone voicing there to an E flat major 7. Okay, then the second time you play it, you're going to play a C minor 9 again, descend on the bass to an F minor 9, to a B flat 9, to an E flat major 9. It's a little different the second time. Okay, then on your right hand, it's like playing an E flat. It's like an E flat, F, B flat, but it's just in the 6s. Let's see, now you're going to be playing a E minor 7 flat 5. But I'm glad you didn't look on the things that I had, but you looked on the things you were able to give me. So that's an E minor 7 flat 5 to a C7 over E, to a D minor, to that G minor. Then you're going to play C9 sus4, which is a B flat on top of C, to a C9, and then F9 sus4. And then that's the last chord in B flat. Then we're going to go back to G by playing a D minor 7, and then a very nice D flat 9 sharp 11. In return, give you joy that I could never. In return, a raging song. In return, and believe it or not, that's the whole song. Whatever you have. And then we end with the intro. Alright guys, that was a run through of In Return by CeCe Winans. Hey guys, if there's a tutorial that you would like to see, please send in a donation and I will make sure I get you on my to-do list. Alright, thanks guys so much and take care.